And hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another informative video of Wondershare Dr.Fone. I am Francisco, and in today's video we are diving into the iOS 17 update and some AirPlay bugs that seem to have tagged along with it. The AirPlay feature refusing to work when you want to enjoy some content on a bigger screen can be very frustrating. However, we're here to save the day and get your AirPlay back on track. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will never miss out on our tech-savvy solutions. So before we get into troubleshooting AirPlay, after the iOS 17 update, there is going to be some good news for you. Wondershare Dr.Fone will soon be releasing its updated version 13.5, which will bring a major overhaul in the user interface and functionalities of its Mac version. Moreover, there will be a new AI-powered function that will allow you to generate wallpaper and music. Now, stay tuned with us to find out more information on this moving forward. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. How does AirPlay even work? AirPlay is like that magician's trick that seamlessly lets you cast your content from your Apple device into a bigger screen like your Apple TV. The content could be photos, videos, or even the entire screen. So how does it work, you ask? Your Apple device and the AirPlay-enabled receiver like an Apple TV or AirPlay-compatible speakers communicate over your Wi-Fi network. They create a direct connection that ensures your content is streamed smoothly and without any noticeable lag. Part 2. What to do if AirPlay is not working after iOS 17/16 update. Now let's just go ahead and tackle the heart of the matter. What to do if AirPlay is not working after the iOS 17 or even the iOS 16 update. We understand the frustration when your tech doesn't really cooperate with you, but fear not. We're armed with solutions to help you overcome these glitches and get back to enjoying your content on the big screen. Fix number 1 is going to be just to restart your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. If you've encountered AirPlay issues after the iOS 17 update, our first solution is one that you're probably familiar with, the classic restart option. It might sound like a simple solution, but you'd be surprised how often it does the trick. So here's how you can go ahead and do it. For iPhones and iPads, it's going to be one specific method. So press and hold the side button along with the volume down until the slide to power off slider appears. Slide it to the right side to power off your device. Once it's off, just wait a few seconds and then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo shows up, and then from there you should be able to see it once more. For Macs, it's going to be a little bit different. Now here, what you're going to want to do is just click on the Apple menu in the top left corner, select Restart from your drop-down menu, wait for your Mac to shut down, then turn it back on. Fix number 2 are Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on all devices. Well, if you've already tried the restart and the AirPlay is still not working, it's time to move to the next solution, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi check. Check if Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on across all of your devices. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. So Bluetooth check is going to be pretty simple. Just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, or Mac. AirPlay is often used with Bluetooth for initial setup and authentication. On the iPhone and iPad, access the control center by swiping downward from the top right corner. Here, ensure Bluetooth is enabled. For Mac, just go to System Settings and then Bluetooth to enable. When it comes to the Wi-Fi check, ensure that Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to the same network on all your devices. For iPhone and iPad, you can check it through the control center, while for your MacBook, tap the Wi-Fi icon from the top right corner. Fix number 3 is the same Apple ID being used on all devices. If you're journeying to stream content after the iOS 17 update has hit a roadblock, the next solution is just to go ahead and check if you're logged in with the same Apple ID on all devices to use AirPlay. AirPlay requires that the targeted devices be logged in using the same Apple ID if the current user setting is currently enabled. Your Apple ID is your digital identity in Apple's ecosystem. It's what ties all of your devices together in harmony, allowing them to seamlessly share content and even communicate like so. Fix number 4. Are devices connected to the same Wi-Fi? So we have already kind of briefly touched on this previously. Check if all of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. When it comes to AirPlay, harmony between devices begins with the Wi-Fi network. Any two devices need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the AirPlay function, with the anyone on the same network settings to work. Now on each of your devices, your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, make sure that they are all connected to the same Wi-Fi network to avoid any kind of issues. Fix number 5. Are you trying to stream to the Mac? Now, when it comes to streaming some content from an iPhone, iPad to a Mac, you first need to enable AirPlay receiver in the Mac settings. So if the AirPlay won't work after updating to iOS 17 or 16, the issue is probably connected or related to MacBook. Now, checking the settings can resolve this issue. Follow these steps to turn on the AirPlay receiver on Mac. Navigate to the Apple menu on your Mac and then select System Settings in the sidebar. Locate and click on General, followed by selecting AirDrop and Handoff. Activate the AirPlay receiver option to enable it. Fix number 6. Power Cycle Apple TV. An Apple TV is like the gateway essentially to your AirPlay ecosystem. Just like any gateway, it can occasionally need a little nudge to get back on track. Begin by shutting down your Apple TV using the Remote Play control. Once it's off, physically disconnect the power cable from the device. This step ensures a complete reset of its internal components. Allow the Apple TV to remain disconnected for about 15 to 20 seconds. After the waiting period, just reconnect the power cable to the Apple TV and switch it back on using the remote control. Fix number 7. Restart the Wi-Fi router. So restarting the Wi-Fi router is another viable solution to AirPlay not working after the iOS 16 to 17 update. Your Wi-Fi router is the conduit that connects the whole Apple ecosystem together and ensures everything is working fine. However, sometimes, like any other device, it needs to be restarted to resume back to top performance. The ultimate solution boils down to performing a restart. Whether it's with your iPhone or your modest Wi-Fi router, simply power down the router, wait momentarily, and power it up once more. Fix number 8. Reset network settings. Resetting your iPhone's network settings can restore the AirPlay function to its working state. The network settings of your devices determine their interactions in the digital realm. Resetting them can wipe away any lingering disturbances and provide a fresh start for your streaming endeavors. Here is how you can reset your iPhone network settings. So just go ahead and follow these steps coming right up. On your iPhone or iPad, navigate to Settings, select General, and finally, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Follow it by tapping Reset. Among the reset options, just select Reset Network Settings. You might be asked to enter your device's passcode and confirm the network reset from there. Fix number 9. Reset all settings. Over a span of time, a complex network of configurations can accumulate, resulting in potential conflicts within your iOS device. Clearing all settings to their defaults creates a blank canvas. It erases these conflicts and other residuals and enables a renewed beginning. Follow these steps to reset all settings on your device coming right up. Begin your journey by entering the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Navigate to General to find the path to transfer or reset your iPhone. Now on the next screen, just go ahead and look for Reset. Here, you will find the option to reset all settings. When prompted, confirm your choice to reset all settings. Your device might ask for your passcode to ensure this action is in fact intentional. And then fix number 10. Use Wondershare Dr.Fone system repair to fix AirPlay issues on iPhones running iOS 16 or 17. If your AirPlay woes persist, don't despair. Our next tool might be the ultimate solution to resolve the issues with AirPlay. It is a specialized iOS system repair toolkit, Wondershare Dr.Fone. Think of it as an ultimate iOS problem solver dedicated to restoring harmony to your device's digital ecosystem. It can mend the very core of your device's operating system, getting rid of all problems that hinder AirPlay's working. Now, given below are going to be detailed steps to use Dr.Fone to fix issues with AirPlay. Start by downloading the official tool of Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer. As it is downloaded and installed on your device, continue to launch it. On opening the platform, navigate to the Toolbox section and select the option of System Repair. Then, from here, this will open a new window where you have to select the option of iOS considering the nature of your device. Following this, just select the option of iOS Repair. Once you select this option, you will get 2 modes to select from. Click the Standard Repair option and then just proceed to Next. You will then have to put your iPhone into recovery mode. So once it is in recovery mode, the platform detects the device automatically and provides respective iOS firmware options to download from. So just select any iOS firmware according to your requirements by clicking the download button. As it downloads, the platform verifies it. Continue to click the Repair Now button to install the downloaded iOS firmware on your device to repair it. Once done, select Done to successfully conclude the process. And there you have it, our journey through the intricate realm of AirPlay troubleshooting in the wake of the iOS 17 update comes to a close. So thank you for joining us in this video. If you found these solutions helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, hit that like button, and share it with others. Lastly, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Now with that said, until next time, have a good one.